It's all yours.
So, one day, they invite me to hang out at Bronson Bar together. I'm like, oh, they must just be, friends now or something like that. And like, there's a little weirdness or something. I'm like, they want to tell me something. And then they're like, we're dating. But nobody knows but you. Yeah. I was like, okay. And then, then we ended up hanging out a lot together because I was the only person they could be smooching in front of.
Oh, Mom.
I think the moment I knew was when I realized how much like my grandpa you are. I promise to keep the Jelly Belly jar full. I promise to also keep your belly full and free of actual beans. Okay, the funny is coming back, guys. Just wait for it. Most importantly, I promise never to call you an asshole ever again.
For me, Cherokee Brook changed a lot of things in my life for the better. One, my diet, but also my perspective. When you meet the perfect person, it flipped my world upside down for the better, to the point that that's all I wanted to do. I didn't want to be with anyone else, and for me that was a massively life-changing event.
James, Jimmy, Johnson. Do you take Cherokee as your wife? Do you take James as your husband?
I take him as my husband.
That's so sick. Well, by the power vested in me by the state of California, you guys are married. Woo!
How lovely is my angel from heaven.
Nicely.
Yeah.
Yeah.